Have you seen this AI talking avatar that I created using my own photo?
Success doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment. It comes from taking the first step, even when you're afraid. Every small action you take today builds.
It looks incredibly realistic. It speaks naturally, and the best part is that I created it completely free. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create your own AI talking avatar from scratch using free tools. The process is very simple, beginner-friendly, and requires absolutely no video editing experience. So make sure you watch this video until the very end, because I'll show you every important detail without skipping anything. Before we begin, if you're interested in AI tools, content creation, and the latest ways to grow your online presence using artificial intelligence, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my future videos. Now, let's get started. The very first thing we need is a professional-looking image of ourselves. Instead of taking an expensive studio photograph, we're going to let AI create one for us. Open ChatGPT on your computer. Inside ChatGPT, type the following prompt. I want you to give me a prompt to generate a studio environment where I am sitting in a professional studio with a microphone in front of me and a laptop on the desk. I should be looking directly at the camera. My photo will be uploaded and should be used as the reference. Add the aspect ratio 9:16. After typing the prompt, press Enter. ChatGPT will generate a detailed image generation prompt for you. This prompt is specially designed so that another AI tool can create a realistic studio image based on your own photograph. Now simply copy the entire prompt. Next, open Google Gemini. Once you arrive on the home page, you'll notice several options on the left-hand side. Click on the Image option. Now look for the plus icon. Click the plus icon. Select Upload Files. Choose a clear photo of yourself from your computer. I recommend using a front-facing photo where your face is clearly visible, because the better the input photo, the better your final AI avatar will look. Once your image has been uploaded, paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT into the prompt box. Double-check that everything looks correct. Now click Submit. Gemini will begin generating your professional studio image. Depending on your internet speed and server availability, this usually takes a few moments. While it's generating, let me mention something important. The quality of your uploaded photo makes a huge difference. A high-resolution image with good lighting usually produces much better results than a blurry or low-quality selfie. Also, try using a photo where you're looking toward the camera instead of sideways. This makes the final talking avatar appear much more natural. As you can see, Gemini has now generated your professional studio image. It looks like I'm sitting inside a modern recording studio with a microphone in front of me and a laptop on the desk. The lighting looks cinematic, the background looks professional, and most importantly, it still looks like me. This is exactly what we need. Now download this generated image to your computer. The next part is where the real magic happens. Take your mobile phone and open the YouTube app. At the bottom of the screen, tap the plus icon. On the top right corner, you'll notice the Google Gemini icon. Tap on it. Now choose the Photo to Video option. This feature allows Gemini to transform a single image into a realistic talking video. Next, choose the image that you downloaded earlier. Your professional studio image is now ready to be animated. But there's one more thing we need. We need dialogue for our AI avatar to speak. Instead of writing something ourselves, we'll let ChatGPT help us again. Go back to ChatGPT. Type a very simple prompt. Write a motivational quotation. Press Enter. ChatGPT will generate several motivational quotes. Read through them carefully. Choose the one you like the most. Copy the quotation. Return to the YouTube app and paste the quotation into the dialog box. Now simply tap Generate. The AI will now begin creating your AI talking avatar video. Again, this process may take a few moments depending on your device and internet connection. While we're waiting, let me explain why this feature is so exciting. Just a few years ago, creating realistic AI avatars required expensive software, powerful computers, complicated editing skills, and sometimes even professional motion capture equipment. Today, AI has completely changed the game. Now, almost anyone can create professional-looking avatar videos using just a smartphone and a few free AI tools. Now, our AI video has finished generating. Let's take a look at the preview.
Success doesn't come from waiting for the perfect moment. It comes from taking the first step, even when you're afraid.
As you can see, the avatar is speaking the quotation naturally. The facial expressions look realistic, the lip movements match the dialogue, the overall quality looks surprisingly professional. If you swipe upward, you'll discover many features that allow you to customize your video. You can add animated text, you can include background music, you can insert stickers, you can record a voiceover if you want to personalize the video even further. You can trim unwanted sections, you can adjust timing, you can enhance your final presentation with just a few taps. Take some time to explore these options because they can significantly improve the quality of your videos. You'll also notice additional tools on the right-hand side of the screen. These features continue to evolve as Google introduces new AI capabilities, so don't hesitate to experiment with them. One option you'll definitely want to use is Save to Device. Tap on Save to Device. Your AI avatar video will now be stored directly on your phone. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up because it really helps the channel grow and encourages me to create more free AI tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest AI tools, tutorials, and content creation tips. Thank you so much for watching.